Praise the Lord, you have made it back with us again. We are here at the Ark, the hub of eternal advancement, restoration, and knowledge. Here we have a lifestyle center / sanitarium and also a gospel medical missionary training school. But today we just want to take time out to show you what we have for breakfast. Now remember, we do our lunch for breakfast and our breakfast for lunch. And we will share with you in another video why we do that exactly. But I just want to take a little bit of time to share with you what it is that we are having. What we have here is a curry stew made out of garbanzo beans. Now this curry is a little bit different. See, we made our own curry, and the reason why is because curry powder normally has black pepper. See, black pepper irritates the stomach lining and can create ulcers in the stomach over time. So we want to avoid that. On this, we also have our rice, wild rice, whole grain, which is very delicious. This is our carbohydrate. Also, we have our avocado, which is good fats. Now see, we want our fats to be in its natural state, not in the free oils position. Now we have on a bed of collard wraps, which is blanched. We have also blanched spiralized carrots and blanched yellow beets. Add a little bit more sweetness to this plate here, which gives good flavor. The reason why we blanch our carrots and our beets and our collard wraps because these are cruciferous vegetables. And cruciferous vegetables can poke holes in the stomach lining. See, the stomach lining, the cells are only a cell thick. So it can poke holes in it, leach into the bloodstream, and cause problems, autoimmune diseases and other things as well. So we don't want that. But we are not just vegans. We are not just plant-based eaters. We are health reformers. And we can share with you what that is at a later time as well. But we are here to reform health here at the Ark. If you ever want to join us at the Ark, please call us. Give us a call on the number below, and we will help you to a better lifestyle. And if you want to learn how to help feed people with a balanced meal, and you also want to learn how to do gospel medical missionary evangelism, that's how to treat people naturally with different things that God has given us like food and herbs, come to the Ark. We look forward to seeing you. God bless.